In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link in a Teams meeting. This is a quick, reliable way to give everyone a clickable resource without interrupting the conversation or screen sharing. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can use it in any meeting. First, join the Teams meeting as you normally would. Once you're in, move your mouse to bring up the meeting controls if they're not already visible. You don't need to turn on your camera or mic for this. As long as you're in the meeting, you're good to go. Next, open the chat panel. Look for the speech bubble icon on the meeting toolbar. Depending on your screen size, it may appear along the top or bottom. Click the speech bubble and a chat panel will slide out, usually on the right side of your screen. This is the shared conversation space for everyone in the meeting. If you don't see the bubble right away, hover over the toolbar for a second. The controls can hide to keep your view clean. Now, type or paste your link directly into the message box. For example, you could paste https://example.com. Teams will automatically recognize a full web address and turn it into a clickable link for participants. If you want to give context, add a short note before or after the link in the same message, like, "Here's the agenda," or "Reference material for the next topic." Keep the full HTTPS at the beginning to make sure it formats correctly. If you need multiple lines, remember that Enter sends your message, so use Shift plus Enter to add a line break without sending. When your message looks right, press Enter. Your link will appear in the meeting chat immediately. Everyone who has access to the meeting chat can see it, and latecomers will see it as soon as they join. The link becomes a live clickable item, so attendees can open it in their browser with a single click. The message also stays with the meeting's conversation, so it's easy to find later if anyone needs to revisit it. If someone mentions they can't see the link, remind them to open the chat panel using the speech bubble icon. If the paste didn't work for any reason, you can recopy the link and paste again, or type it carefully to ensure there are no extra spaces. That's all there is to it. Join the meeting, open chat, paste your link, and press Enter. It's fast, consistent, and keeps everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy linking in your next Teams meeting.